Welcome back to Wheeloscopy, the channel where we dive deep into the world of motorcycles, futuristic machines, and next-generation engineering. Today we have something truly exciting for all adventure bike lovers, because BMW has officially unveiled the all-new next-generation 2026 BMW F900GS. This is not just a small update. This is a complete evolution that pushes BMW's mid-weight adventure lineup into a brand new era. Let's start with the design. The 2026 F900GS comes with a more aggressive, sharper, and futuristic look that immediately stands out. The wider stance, redesigned body panels, and premium adventure ergonomics give it a bold and commanding presence. The front now features BMW's next-gen adaptive LED headlight system that automatically adjusts light distribution depending on the terrain and riding conditions. The windshield is fully adjustable, and the overall fit and finish reflect BMW's signature premium craftsmanship, giving the bike a muscular yet refined look. Moving to performance, the 2026 F900GS is powered by an upgraded 895 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine. It's smoother, more responsive, and delivers stronger mid-range torque, perfect for both off-road exploration and long-distance touring. BMW has also enhanced the riding modes, which now include Rain, Road, Dynamic, Enduro, and Enduro Pro. Each mode intelligently adjusts throttle response, traction control, and ABS sensitivity based on the environment. Suspension has received a major leap forward as well. The bike features high-travel upside-down front forks and an electronically adjustable rear suspension that adapts its damping in real time. Whether you're riding on rough terrain or cruising on highways, this suspension system ensures a stable, planted, and confidence-inspiring ride. The lightweight chassis and improved weight distribution further enhance the bike's agility, making it one of the most capable adventure bikes in its class. Braking performance is equally impressive. The F900GS comes with dual front discs, powerful calipers, and a cornering ABS system integrated with an advanced IMU. For off-road riding, customizable traction control and ABS settings give riders complete freedom to fine-tune the bike's behavior according to their skill level and terrain. Now let's talk about the technology packed into this next-generation machine. The 2026 F900GS features a massive 7-inch Full HD TFT display that supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, GPS navigation, ride data logging, and over-the-air updates. BMW's connected ride system has also been upgraded, offering clearer graphics and more detailed real-time information to the rider. For convenience and safety, the bike includes features like hill start control, engine drag torque control, cruise control, quick shifter, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The redesigned fuel tank improves both comfort and long-distance touring range. BMW has also focused heavily on rider comfort, refining the seating, handlebars, and foot peg positioning to ensure fatigue-free riding, even during long adventures. Overall, the 2026 BMW F900GS represents a major step forward for the adventure motorcycle segment. It combines power, technology, comfort, and capability in a way that clearly shows BMW's commitment to staying ahead of the competition. This is a bike built for riders who want a premium, reliable, highly advanced, and future-ready adventure machine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Wheeloscopy for more motorcycle content. And tell us in the comments, would you consider the 2026 BMW F900GS as your next adventure bike? Thanks for watching Wheeloscopy. Ride safe and stay adventurous.